Hello, this will be a quick overview of Streamsie. So thanks for using Streamsie. Let's get started. The first thing you want to do when you launch Streamsie is go over here to the Info tab, and here you can see to get more help, click here. So this will bring you to a page where you have the manual, video drivers for additional input devices such as MISO or our Captiva line of video capture devices. That's a great resource for you. Then you go to Account. In the Account area, simply put in the server address, the account number, and the password, and press Connect. I'm already connected here. Now, the other way to launch Streamsie is directly from Devos. If you go to Devos and you go to your media settings, encoders, and if you've set up your Streamsie, which you must do in order to have an account, you'll notice there's a launch button. So just click on that launch button and Streamsie will open up with the account settings already set for you. Another tip here is if you manually type in the settings, like I have done right here, these settings, server, account, and password, those will be remembered. But if you launch it from the link, they will not be remembered. Well, that's great because you can have a default account that you use over and over again, that you can just launch Streamsie and it'll use that account, or you can use other accounts and you won't disturb the settings that you put into Streamsie manually. Okay, so there are two video inputs. So here you see video input A and video input B. I have video input A set to my webcam here on my local computer. I have video input B set to my screen capture, and that's how I'm actually making this video right now, using a screen capture of the Streamsie itself. Now, I would encourage you on any of these is to click on the, after you've made your selection from the drop-down list of what it is that you want to use for your setting, for your input device, for A or B, click on the icon of the wrench. And that allows you to set up details. So for example, for screen capture, maybe you only want to capture a small portion of the screen or the full screen, or maybe you want to allow the capture area to track your mouse. So those are all options available to you from that wrench icon. As you can see, you have a volume control right here and a preview of what you're recording or streaming. Now to stream, simply press the stream button. And if you look down here in the lower left-hand corner, you'll see that there's a timer, and it says Stream 1, and it is counting up. That means you're actually streaming right now. If you don't see it counting, then you're not actually streaming. That means that Streamsie is unable to connect to the server, or it's waiting for something to happen on the server. I'll go ahead and stop the stream. When you're recording, you'll see the recording timer is going. So I'm recording this right now for about 3 minutes. Finally, when you're done recording, you can click here and that'll open up the default folder where your recordings are located so you can instantly look at them. And finally, if in your Devo system you have set up automatic upload after record, when you are done recording, upload will automatically happen of the just recorded video. And you'll see that set right here. Right now I have it set to not active, but if I had set it to active, it would say so right here, and then you know. Okay, so from our recording, which I'm doing right now, you can see you simply press the record button, press it again to stop, but you also have a pause function. A pause function allows you to do things like, well, pause the video. Why would you want to do that? Maybe it's a seminar that you're recording and they're going to take a 10-minute break. Rather than ending the video and creating a new one, you can just pause your current recording, and it's pretty good. It seems like it's almost instantaneous. So for example, if I were to hold this phone, I could make it disappear, right, just by pausing the video. For Streamsie Pro, you have additional features down here. You can add a watermark, just import any bitmap image, and you can have as many bitmap images for watermark and adjust their locations and so on. You also have chroma key. This will turn any green area of your screen transparent along the background to show through. And you've seen some tutorials that we've created where the speaker appears in front of a PowerPoint or in front of another video. And we use green screen or chroma key for that. And you can apply it to video input A, video input B, or both. You have file as input. File as input allows you to as the name implies, use a file, a video file, as your input source. So I could make my video disappear and replace it. I'll choose this video and I'll say, send this video to input A. And actually, input B is a better one for this demonstration. And you can see that I've replaced the screen with video input B. You also have duration recording. Now, duration recording is terrific if you want to, for example, record or digitize a VHS tape. You'd look at the label, you'd say, oh, the tape is 93 minutes, type in 93, press record. At the end of the duration, it'll stop recording, and if automatic upload is engaged, it'll upload it to the server. And finally, if you want to upload a video either recorded with Streamsie or some other video, you can use a file upload. Just browse to a video file and use it for uploading it directly to the system. Right, now let's take a look at templates. Templates is what's going to go out on the air. So right now I'm only using video input B. If I use video input A, oh, I have chroma key turned on. Let me turn that off. If I only use video input A, or perhaps side by side, or a picture in picture, I can move myself around. And you can even animate this with a setting in Devos. Okay, so there's your overview of Streamsie. Enjoy, have fun. I'm sure you'll have no problem using Streamsie for morning announcements, for executive broadcasts, and for recording lectures such as this one. Thanks so much. Bye for now.